to be the very first person to use this technology on a project, I mean, that's an honor. That's something that places us different than our competition, or not even that, but our position in the industry, right? We are on the forefront of technology, robotic technology in rebar construction, especially when it comes to these bridge decks. Initially, first thing we had to do was identify a project where we could utilize IronBot and TieBot in combination with each other that would fit. Not too big of a project to bite off more than we can chew. We wanted to have something that we could wrap our hands around. And then looking for a contractor in Conan Graham that was willing to let us do that and bring that out to the job site, take a chance on doing something different, something new, right? Great partnership. We value our partnership with Conan Graham. You know, this project fit all the needs, and the timeline worked out good just because we were ready to roll with the IronBot, and we were already using TieBot. So it was a good pick, good job. Everything came together and aligned, and yeah, we're real happy with the way it turned out. When you do something that you've done your entire life the same way, and you bring in a new methodology, a new technology, there's got to be a lot of communication between the management and the field crews. And so we made sure that we spent time out there getting everybody on the same page, because it's different. I mean, we've done this work for our entire careers, but now we're changing it up, and we're introducing a new piece of equipment that nobody's worked with before. So there was a lot of communication going on, and as we found on the Port St. Lucie job, you know, that involves making changes on the fly. Like, you know, just because you had it planned out doesn't mean that that's exactly how things are going to go. After the first few days, we got it figured out to be more efficient. And that's something that'll continue to happen as we engage and explore this technology on other projects. Placing rebar on bridge decks is one of the hardest things that we have to do. It's one of the hardest aspects as our job for rod busters. There's a lot of weight, there's a lot of lifting, there's a lot of carrying, there's a lot of walking on uneven surfaces, there's a lot of bend over tying. It makes a safer job. It makes for a more efficient project. We can get more done with the same amount or less people, and skilled tradesmen are hard to find. This is a solution to that. And again, I've talked about this before. I don't see the robotics being a replacement of our workforce, more of an enhancement. We can take our rod busters and they can have longer careers because we are not putting their bodies through that physical strain of lift, carry, and place on these bridge decks, and then bend over tying. Yeah, there's going to be bend over tying when you're doing the frame tying, but it's far less than it would have been if we were building it the way we've done for years.